I am happy to have us not involved in the WHO anymore.
Ridiculous.
I think. Why is that ridiculous?
Because the WHO, like viruses don't respect borders. They don't respect borders at all, as we saw with COVID-19. And so withdrawing from the
The WHO doesn't respect borders.
Yeah, but during a global health emergency, if we ever do, there's no coordination. There's lack of communication, and the U.S. interests are now put last if we're not part of a global organization. And so although there's a disagreement about how COVID-19 was handled, not being a part of the larger conversation about what's going on will cause a rise in a bunch of things, like people trying to flee from certain circumstances and more people coming here. It will affect immigration. We have to be on the same accord. We have to be on the same accord with the world to make sure that our response is in line and in unison.
I agree with that. We need to work with other countries and coordinate efforts and sharing of resources. But the reason I despise the WHO and think we should get as far from this organization as possible, we should burn it to the ground, is because they did not foster international cooperation. They covered for the authoritarian regime of China. When COVID happened, that's what they did, is helped China cover it up. They were beholden to China. That's not just my opinion. This is reporting from the New York Times.